Salutations, spectators. Isn't it abhorrent when a person initiates discourse with esoteric subject matter using pedantic terminology to articulate their abstruse observations? So annoying. When I am super passionate about a subject, I do tend to absorb and regurgitate the specialized vocabulary that comes with it, and as long as people don't pay too much attention to me, I will continue to harass them with my obscure knowledge. Hi, nice to meet you. Hi. Last night, I read this really great PubMed article.
I don't know what that is.
Where if you take the histone-like protein HNS or hexuronides, which are both bacterial genes of E. coli,
That doesn't interest me.
if you delete them from the E. coli in the gut of a worm, it starts outgassing cholic acid continuously, and the worm lives 40% longer. 40%! That is like an 81-year-old woman living to be 113. Cholic acid is basically what? Fucose, galactose, glucose, glucuronic acid, and acetyl, right? So guess what common source has all those things? Come on, guess. You really don't want to guess. Fine, I'll tell you. It's seaweed. CP. Specifically, it's Malaysia sargassum mandiri, but I couldn't find that anywhere. So I got my hands on some Laminaria digitata, which is very similar, and I've been incorporating it into my diet, and I've also been taking baths with it. Yeah. I hope to live 40% longer. But when a person is legitimately paying attention to me, my psyche detects it as some sort of existential threat, and I immediately go into this rather piteous self-defense mode.
Howdy, darling.
Howdy.
What'd you do last night?
Last night, I read this really great PubMed article.
I love PubMed.
Oh, you're interested?
I'm so interested.
It basically told me to eat seaweed. Yeah.
Seaweed, you say?
Seaweed.
Tell me more! Tell me more! Tell me more!
You can barbecue the seaweed.
That's fascinating!
No. Actually, you probably can't barbecue the seaweed. But you can boil it because it's usually dehydrated. There's seaweed soup and seaweed chowder and pineapple and seaweed and lemon and seaweed
stuff.
and broccoli and seaweed. Mm-hmm. You could make a seaweed sandwich.
Okay, I'm losing interest.
Oh my god. I seem to have a split personality social awkwardness disorder. Pay attention to me! Don't look at me! And science suggests we should eat seaweed to live longer. It really does, guys.
Check out these links if you want to know more. Hi, my name is Squeaks, and I'm the owner of the kitty bar. At the kitty bar, we have lap cats. Guess how much it costs for a lap cat at the kitty bar? $100? No! $50? No! At the kitty bar, it only costs $15 for a lap cat. What a great deal! This is the best $15 I've ever spent. Come on down to the kitty bar, where there's kitties everywhere. This was my first YouTube video. If you liked it, thwack the like button. Thwack it. And subscribe if you want to see more of my incessant blabbering. Thwack the button.